Welcome. In this very short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cancel your YouTube Premium free trial subscription on desktop. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, of course, go to youtube.com. And then once you're in here, just go to the top right, click on your profile. Then go ahead and click on purchases and memberships. Okay, click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you'll be able to see in this page, membership. Okay, what you'll do is just click on manage membership, and then in the next page you'll be able to see this option. Okay, as you can see here, we have pause membership, change your payment method, or add in your back payment method. But what we're going to do here is just basically click on cancel right here. Okay, click on it, and once done, just follow the simple prompts, and after that you're good to go. Now, if you can't see purchases and memberships right here, don't worry, just go ahead and open up a new tab. Now go ahead and look for cancel YouTube Premium, like so. Now go ahead and click on the link from Google Help. Okay, click on it. Now what you'll do is just click on cancel now. All right, there you go. You'll be landed to the same exact page. But that's just basically it. That's how you cancel your YouTube Premium free trial on desktop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.